That's what your Game Boys of the future will look like. And probably sound like.
It's like an intense game.
Yeah, go! And psycho bitches.
My thumbs are starting to get tired already.
God damn it, Greg. Why'd you have to go and pee?
I had to.
Die, you psycho bitches!
Said spin up this audio distorted on your camera.
Oh
Just
god.
imagine that with the added to this. Alan Jackson.
Woo! Kind of.
Oh. A ridiculous oldie.
I feel like a squirrel!
AIDS. Oh, we're not playing Squirrel AIDS? My thumbs are tired now.
It's dangerous to go alone. He fucked the Smurf.
I still have my unicorn blood.
He fucked the unicorn.
My purpley, pink, and green ink. Hey, smiley face. Coincidentally, accidentally by doing that, make a smiley face. Whee!
It's happy that
Let's make it red.
it's happy that it's dead.
Sharp, arm stabby tools. Give me your guts, metal box. Sheep fucker.
God,
They're actually cows and they're just looking like, what the fuck?
what the fuck?
Oh, I'm drifting.
Gulp. Gulp.
This just fits with what's been going on pretty much this entire day. All the random shit. Titties and bear. Hunting taters like a bear. Thank God I ain't queer.
Oh god.
No, the gay factory worker from the South.
Okay, if you're ever on your PS3 and you're looking up anything that starts with A and B, just stop right there.
Just type in AV, look for the video that's got a Japanese woman with her tits hanging out and watch it. It should be about an hour and 9 minutes long and 52
It's
seconds.
amazing.
It's an hour, 9 minutes, 52 seconds long exactly.
Of amazingness. Just skip around a bit. It doesn't matter. It's not even
Just look for
subchannel.
the tits and that's all that matters.
And the eyes. The 4 eyes coming out of one head. Little winners and poop.
This guy can rap faster than Eminem. Eminem aspires to be this guy. And this is older by a long shot.
Oh, you mean a criminal?
I believe he's white. If you could talk that fast, just imagine go up to somebody, hi, how's your name?